Hey, it's Avi with Altenew's Crafty Creator Team.
I'm going to share how I made this mini Slimline Hexagon Sympathy card. The card base measures at 4.5 inches by 5 3/4 inches and is scored at 1.5 inches and 3 inches. I folded both score lines forward. I shaved a little tiny bit off of each side. I then trimmed down 2 pieces of cardstock measuring at 5.5 inches by 1.5 inches and scored at 1/2 inch, 2 3/8, 3 1/8, and 5 inches. I folded all score lines back. I made my own patterned paper with the Floral Serenade press plate and silver satin foil. Once my glimmer platform was ready, I detached the platform from the base, added the Flower Serenade press plate, silver satin foil, shiny side down, a piece of Iceberg Crafty Necessities cardstock, and the shims. Then I passed it through my die cutting machine. I cut down 3 panels measuring at 1 1/4 inches by 5.5 inches and adhered them to the card base. I cut down 4 panels measuring at 1 5/8 by 1 1/4 inches and 2 panels measuring at 1/2 inch by 1 1/4 inches. I adhered those panels to the hexagon borders. I flipped the card base and hexagon borders over and adhered the hexagon borders to the card base. I inked up the butterfly from the Marigold Butterflies Craft Your Life project kit and the With Deepest Sympathy sentiment from the Garden Bench Mini Delights stamp set with embossing ink, covered the stamped images with antique silver embossing powder, and then I heat set them. I cut out the butterfly using the coordinating die cut and I hand cut the sentiment. I trimmed down a piece of acetate to 1/4 inch by 5 3/4 inches and adhered it to the top and bottom of the hexagon borders. I added the butterfly to the acetate strip as a floating element. I added liquid adhesive to the top and bottom of a piece of cardstock measuring at 1 inch by 5.5 inches. I added a sentiment strip measuring at 1.5 inches by 4 3/4 inches to the pocket so I could write a special message.
Hello there! Did that video just spark your creativity? And do you want more project ideas and inspiration videos too? Well, if you do, please make sure that you subscribe to the Altenew YouTube channel. Also, make sure that you do click that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.